Good? Yeah.
Nobody ever said that politics didn't benefit. Right. Exit through that hole right there. It was a toss-up whether to wear polys. I'm glad I picked not. I got on that collar hard floor liners, and they're not breathable, like I said. I'm here no action. I guess they're waiting on us. I guess we go back in there. Hey, bottle of water out there in that green cooler, guys.
Yeah, that's what we haven't moved in yet.
Okay, so it's already in.
No, that's the stuff that we had brought in this morning. We moved everything else right there. Right.
Another big one yet?
Not yet. I guess they're waiting on us.
I wonder if we're gonna cut that right there when we're doing work.
I don't know. See,
That's
that's
about turning that corner, didn't he?
yeah. See, they said they ain't doing it for like 2 more weeks or something, and she's putting it right there or over on the other side. They don't know where they're going to build the gate.
How'd they get a material take off it?
Right. Right.
That's funny.
They could have pre-cut this shit outside. Might have made stuff a little easier.
I mean, we could have, if they would have picked the spot for the gate, we could have pre-cut some shit.
Right.
And we wouldn't be handling 300-pound fucking steel.
Right.
Totally, totally fucking SCCI project right here. No,
Yeah.
no planning. Y'all just come on out and we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We got 5 more loads and a big outrage and screen. We quit.
Okay. Well, I was only able to carry one, so somebody else can come in and do it. 58 degrees in here. I ain't supposed to be sweating like this.
We got these 3, 2 more outside, and the big one.
I mean, what are they caging out? Elephants?
Hey, those steel pipes, I need 1 panel back this way.
Steel pipe. What steel pipe? The channels here?
Steel beams, I need 1 back this way. Just put 1.
Now we're gonna look backwards. Now we're pushing it back out of the gate.
Yeah. Wait a minute, we gotta spray paint all of it first. Take it all back out.
way!
We got a plan.
I got a plan too. It involves that white Jeep out there.
It wouldn't be no fun if we didn't ditch the whole time, you know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, I mean, that's the problem with free labor. Right. They bitch the whole time. The screen's like, yeah, they're flimsy as hell.
Yeah.
They look like stucco screen or something.
Yeah, concrete backer. Yeah.
I wonder what they're gonna do with that. Man, if they have to pour concrete back there, I don't want to be on that crew that has to bring 80-pound bags of concrete back here.
No
I
joke.
don't understand how they're gonna get a settling tanks in here and stuff.
I'll see it when they're done with it.
Unless they're gonna use a gas-powered job saw or something, I don't know.
Well, you can get, I mean, you can set up a generator out there and run power right that far.
I should have had more than coffee and Sudafed for breakfast.
Right.
Oh. Well, we weren't going to run with it.
Watch your fingers.
We're going to slide over it to be fine.
I thought we were pulling screen.
Yeah, I thought we was supposed to.
Okay, slow. Set up the next beam.
Huh?
What you got?
Slow stop.
Slow top. Going on.
Alright, you're on this single one by itself.
You get some torque. Forward up. Hang on, move the feet in front of it right here. Stand by. We get the feet in this way.
Let's come this way about 1.5 feet. All right.
Alright. Back on the rope.
All right.
What's the plan?
Get the steel in the cave.
You wanna bring him with another beam or?
We've already got the other 3 inches back there already.
Y'all
Yeah.
need any help?
No, sir, not back here.
Let's just manhandle it.
Yeah, we just need to drag.
Just drag it.
Let's just get off. Let's unrig it off that rope and let's just grab it and ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Unrigged, derigged. Bunch of nigging going on anyway.